As I always say, follow Uno road. Follow Uno road. Your husband will be singing parara, parara, parara on top of you. It works like fire. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajuwake. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so mo gbọ́ ohun tí ẹ mọ̀ jẹ dé gègé mo gbọ́ ohun tí ẹ mọ̀ jẹ dé. See, my people, a lot of you has been bombarding me in the comment section of my WhatsApp because I normally leave my phone number on the screen. So a lot of you has actually sent me a message. Some people call me telling me the kind of situation they are in their home, in their relationship, and I was like, sis, you just have to level up your Puna. Level up your VJ. I keep telling you guys this, but you people don't want to answer me. I don't know why. And you will be crying up and down. My boyfriend wants to leave me. Oh. My husband wants to leave me for another woman. Oh. My husband is hiring our house girl. What is your house girl doing that you are not doing? What is your husband's side chick doing that you are not doing? Don't just carry Bible or carry anything and be saying what God cannot do does not exist. Who are you deceiving yourself? See, God will not come down from heaven and do what you're supposed to do by yourself. Okay, you have your own responsibility. God has his own responsibility. So do your own part before you start blaming anybody for snatching your man or snatching your husband. I don't know, that does not make sense to me. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make yourself sweet from the inside to the outside, how to make your man love you so dearly. This is another form of sweetener that will make you sweet, irresistible for your husband, that will make you change in front of your husband. You know, there are some women that their life is just like anyhow. Don't live your life anyhow, okay? All this side chick you are saying that is about to snatch your husband from you, that is about to snatch your boyfriend from you, what are they doing right? What are you doing wrong? Try and see what people are doing. Follow no road. Find out what other women are doing right to enhance, to ensure that their love life is growing, is booming. And see, I can tell you with my full chest that there are some ladies out there, there are some women out there that no side chick can ever near their husband. No side chick can ever snatch their man. All this relies on what they are doing to make their relationship work. It is not necessary you say, oh, to go and tie your man's destiny because you don't want him to cheat. All these things, Kayanmata things, are just aphrodisiac, you know. It will enhance your sex life. It will refresh. It will renew you in front of your partner. That is just the excess of Kayanmata. These are organic products God has created to make things work for human beings. For men, they are Kayanmata for men. They are Kayanmata for women. You see, there are some men that when they knock you once, you can never leave them again. The memory will still be in your brain. That's still knocking. What they call it is adodo. If you don't know, in my local dialect, it is called adodo. Why not try that? If you know your marriage is collapsing, it is not working, do everything within your power to make your marriage work, to make your relationship work. Stop blabbing up and down, going to one prayer place to another. If you are not doing what you're supposed to do and you are putting everything that you are supposed to do, you are putting it to God, that God should come down and do what you're supposed to do. Because God has actually created apps and roots, okay? Apps and roots to make things work for human being, okay? If you believe in it, good for you. If you don't, good for you. But I'm telling you, sis, if you are not leveling up, you are not doing anything to make your love life work. See all our celebrities in Nigeria. If they pick one man like this, if they hold him, that man no go except they leave him. That's just it. Except they are willing to leave that man. Okay, I'm using a celebrity in Nigeria for examples, just for you to understand what I'm saying and for you to understand where I'm coming from. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an affordable sweetener product that can make you sweet from the inside, that can make you renew your love in your relationship, in your marriage, that will make you irresistible and will present you like a goddess, like a perfectionist in front of your partner. It is better to follow no road, as I always say, follow no road. Follow no road. You see how they dance, because I know that what I'm bringing to you is very, very effective. It works like fire. This girl is on fire. Anyways, let me show you what the product is. So you guys, can you see? Hey, see, after using this, your life will never remain the same again. Your love story will actually take a new turn, like a new turn, a right turn that you have been craving for. So what you are going to do with this sweetener, you are going to mix it with milk. This one is only milk. You just have like a little bit of it, like a half tablespoon, put it inside a teacup, like a teacup or a tablespoon. However, the milk should not be so much, so just put the milk in a teacup, put half tablespoon of this product into the milk. This one is only milk. Don't use it with yogurt, just milk. Okay, just milk. And you can eat it like that if you want, if you like. If you can tolerate it like that, you can eat it like that, you know, like 2 hours before sex. Or you should cultivate habits of using it every day, and trust me, when you use it, it is already an antidote. See, your husband will be singing parara 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 on top of you. Like, this one is extreme sweet now. Don't joke with it. Okay, just drink it. Like I said, you mix it with a milk, not a mug, not a jug. Just mix it with milk, like a teacup, a very small teacup of milk, and just drink it like that. And voila, and see, you have your love story will take a new turn. Okay, for ladies who sabi, as I dey talk am, the grab am, no use this one play. Okay, because I'm not even joking here. This is an extreme goddess sweetener. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching my video today. If this video is helpful, please make sure to click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video for people who might be interested to access this information. All right, thank you so much once again for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.